You may have the idea of this plant by looking at leaves. This is okra or ladyfinger, or it is called bhindi, and is one of the most loved and healthy vegetable that can be grown in almost every part of our country. The three main planting season for this okra are like February to April, June to July, and October, November. Okra belongs to the melon family and has very beautiful flowers. Okra should be planted during early summer months. The vegetable can be cooked and consumed in different ways. You can see on the YouTube, or you can Google it, that you can have okra in different ways with their recipe. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E, along with calcium and fiber. You can start okra seeds indoor in peat pots under full light 3 to 4 weeks before the last spring. In warmer areas, you can also start okra directly in your garden 3 to 4 weeks before the last spring. Choosing and preparing a planting site. As a warm weather crop, okra appreciates full sun. Okra is adaptable and will grow in moist soil, though it performs best in well-drained soils that are rich in organic matter. Soil should be ideally like acidic side with a pH between 5.8 to 7. If you are planting okra transplants, be sure to space them 1 to 2 feet apart to give them ample room to grow. Okra plants are so tall, so space out the roots 3 to 4 feet apart. You can grow in the kitchen garden or even pots, but be sure to take good care and water them properly and keep the soil moist. You can soak the seeds overnight in deep water to speed up the germination. You can see the okra plant or okra fruit. You can see the okra fruit, they are bearing so healthy and fresh organic fruit. You can see the flowers, they are really so beautiful. You can eliminate weeds when the plants are young. Then you can mulch heavily to prevent more weeds from growing. You should side dress the plants with fertilizer, or you can use manure or rich compost. You can see the beautiful flowers, and I have updated this video after like 10 days, 15 days after growing. Actually we do not space them out properly, or we have just scattered the seeds on the ground and they have grown this much tall. And actually my mother has grown this okra plant. When the seedlings are about like 3 inches tall, you can thin the plants so they get ample space, and they are when they are 12 to 18 inches apart. When they are not already thin, you can thin them out. Keep the plant well watered throughout the summer months, and keep the soil moist. My mom have harvested the okra plant, and I did not film it. I did not take a video, but still I have harvested some of them, and you can have a look on the last of this video. The first harvest maybe is will be ready about like 2 months after planting. And harvesting okra can be done when they are like 2 to 3 inches long. You can cut the stem, or if you have allergy, you can wear gloves and you can harvest them. harvesting is done, and you can see the Okhra Bhindi Ladysfinger. Bhindi is very popular name. Bhindi, this you can have with other vegetables, and you can cut and cook with dal, you can boil, or you can have many other recipes, and it has many benefits. You can see other recipe in the YouTube, Google, and thank you for watching.